Why not come down and find some more bark, Jordy? Ah. It's a beautiful morning. Look at this piece. Look how wide that is. Man. But it wasn't thicker. Look at this piece. I was in the neighborhood. I had to renew my license, so figure might as well come pick up some more cottonwood bark when I'm down. Yep. That's what I'm doing. Because I know last time I was here a couple days ago, I know I missed. Let's just leave these ones here. Let's just leave these ones right here. I know I missed the dinosaur last time I was here. It's pretty wet in here. It's a high tide. See the water's up there. But yeah, so I'm gonna take it really easy. So anyways, this isn't gonna be a long video. I'll be chainsaw carving the pumpkins tomorrow. And I'll just show you guys when I find pieces. Or whatever. I just don't care. Do you care? I don't care. Look at this piece right in here. See that? That's a big piece of bark. Oh, yeah, look at that sucker. Beauty. Whew. Already happy with that score. It's like 2.5 feet long. Yep. Let's go put it with the other ones right now. Look at that. That's 5 minutes. Right there. Jackpot. Look at all this so far. Now I gotta go all over here. So I'll just leave those there for now. We'll go down here. We got another picker over here. Kind of see a little Asian lady. Is there blue there somewhere? So I remember before I got lots right in this area here. Geese are pretty active today. Bunch of them right there. Canadian geese. Somebody need a bumper? It's a piece right here. Look at this piece. Beauty. Well, see. Yeah, it's a good piece. See how it's shiely, guys? You just pull, see that? But otherwise, it's a good piece. Okay, I'm gonna put all my stuff on this cement block here again. It's a nice little curvable piece. Okay, I got that wood in my car already, and let's find some more over here. I was watching, last night I was watching Bob Ross, that painter guy. I was watching a documentary on him, and you know, I don't know what I'm saying, but whatever. He's pretty cool, that guy. He's just really mellow and relaxed, and it's a nice curvable piece. What's that thing in there? I don't know, I'm not touching it. But yeah, so, but I'm not relaxed. I'm a friggin' spaz. And he's a genius what he does. And I'm just a hack. But I don't care. I'm having fun. That's what it's about, guys. Having fun. It's just friggin' everywhere. Oh, man. There's a nice piece. Man, just loading up. You just freaking loading up, boy. Yeah, boy, I'm loading up all right. Okay, so this would be the honey hole last time. Beautiful day. Not so windy. Okay guys, so here's our score for today. See it all here? Got about 15 good pieces. This one got bug holes. That's not bad. I'll keep it. Anyways, that's it. I'm gonna go check one more spot really quick. Party time. Okay, so I just went and searched all through this area. I fell in the major sinkhole, got a major soaker. And yeah, so wait till you see all the more bark I just got. Oh, look at this piece. Look at it all. Look at this monster. This is a friggin' monster. Oh, nice and clean. Early bird gets the worm. See you guys.